Ninth question. The following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. Let's make the table. Literacy rate in percent, it is in percent. 45 to 55, 3 cities. 55 to 65, 10 cities. 65 to 75%, 11 cities. 75 to 85, 8 cities. And 85 to 95, 3 cities. Then sum of all FIs, that is sum of all the cities, is 35. Now we have to find XI. XI is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 55 plus 45 by 2, 50. 65 plus 55 by 2, 60. Then 70, 80 and 90. Now let us assume the middle value as mean. So assumed mean is 70. Now we have to find DI. DI is XI minus A. So minus 20, it will be 50 minus 70, which will minus 20, 60 minus 70, minus 10, 70 minus 70, 0, 80 minus 70, 10, 90 minus 70, 2. Then FIDI we have to find. So 3 into minus 20, minus 60, 10 into minus 10, minus 100, 11 into 0, 0, 8 into 10, 80, 3 into 20, 60. Sum of all FIDIs is minus 20. Let's find the mean now. So we are using assumed mean method here. So X bar is equal to A plus sigma FIDI upon sigma FI. So A is 70 plus sigma FIDI is minus 20 and sigma FI is 35. So we get 70 minus 0.57. So it is equal to 69.43%. So the mean literacy rate is 69.43%.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.